Hi guys, my name's Melinda and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a New Year's Eve makeup look for you guys that I have on right now. I know that when it comes to me and New Year's Eve, I want to be a part of the festivities when everyone's wearing glittery outfits and sparkly shirts or skirts or dresses, but I know sometimes I can't pull that off. So I like to bring that sparkly, glittery aspect into my makeup, and I'm helping you guys do that today. I give you guys some tips and tricks while in this video on how to apply makeup and to make it look more flawless. So if you guys are like me and don't know what to do for your New Year's Eve makeup or don't know how to add that glitter and that sparkle into your New Year's Eve look, then this video is definitely for you. Make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I post a bunch of different things on my channel, ranging from hair and makeup and fashion to my personal life, which is kind of really funny. So don't forget to subscribe, and now it's time to cue the intro music. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with priming my face, even though we are going to be doing eyes first. I like to prime so that my skin could just absorb the primer. And don't forget to do your neck. People always forget to do their neck. Since we're going to be starting off with the eyes, I want to go in with a primer. You want to prime your eyes because of the fact that since it's a New Year's Eve look, we are going to be using glittery shadows and shimmery shadows, and you want that to really shine through on your eyes, and you want it to last longer, and primer helps that happen. But I like to prime my eyes usually every time I wear eyeshadow, just because it helps your eyes look better, it protects your eyes from the eyeshadow, and also helps the eyeshadow stay on longer. So I recommend using it all the time, but especially if you're going to be using shimmery shadows. So after we prime, I'm going to start off with the base, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It is the shade Go Nude, and then I'm actually going to take that and just put it all over my lid. So now I'm going to be taking this darker shade in the color Sandal right here, and I'm just going to be, with the same brush, going into just my crease. When you get product onto your brush, you want to make sure that you tap off any excess so that you're not getting all of this product onto your lid. It's always better to start off with a little bit and then build up to what you want it to look like and how much you want to have on. Okay, so now I'm going to go in again, still with the same brush. I'm actually going to be taking this orangey color called Spice. It looks like this. I'm just going to take it and put it into my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this smaller brush. And I like using smaller brushes because I'm going to be working more on like the outside of my crease, not the full crease. And I like using smaller brushes because it gives me more control, and then I will blend it out with either my defining brush or a blending brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to switch over to my Kylie Sort of Sweet palette, and I'm going to be using this. Does my brother not understand that we're filming? So I'm actually now going to be switching.
Sorry, it's my mom.
Does Tatiana not understand that we're filming? Okay.
Yeah, it is sort of.
Oh my god!
No,
Shut up!
It is.
I'm going to be using this purpley shade. But if you don't have a purpley brownish shade, you could just do a normal brown, something deep like this. So you just need like a darker color for your crease. I like to do one with a little bit of a purple undertone. And I really like this color and this palette, so I'm just going to use this one. And since it's a dark color, you want to work a little bit and build it up. So what we're going to do is just take it on the outside of our crease and just work it into our crease. So now I'm going to go into my other Kylie palette. This is the bronze palette, and I'm going to be using this deep brown called Bronzite. And I'm going to be applying this like a V on the outside of your eye. This is why I like to do my eyes first. If anything falls underneath or you find that you go too far, you can always clean it up and you're not taking away any of your face makeup. Now we're going to go into the shimmers. I'm actually going to be mixing this gold and this pink shade. So what I'm going to do is just grab a flat brush. I'm going to grab some gold and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. So now I'm going to be adding a little bit of this pink shimmer on top of the gold. Since this is more of a smoky eye, I'm going to define more of my crease. So going in with that crease color, I'm going to be using a flat angled brush. We're just going to take a little bit and we're actually going to put it right underneath our eye. I'm going to go into the gold and I'm going to add the gold color right into the corner of my eye. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do eyeliner. So I will say this, if you want your eyes to appear bigger with your eyeliner, what you want to do is take a thin makeup brush and you want to line it up with your nose and with the end of your eyebrow. And make sure you're hitting the corner of your eye. And that's the shape where you want to line. So you're going to want to line right there, right up. And you can actually like tape it. A lot of people like to tape it. And then just peel the tape off to give you a nice clean line. If you're not good with a steady hand, that's a good tip. What I like to do is I like my eyes to appear more elongated outwards. And with that, you want to take the same brush and you want to put it on the end of your eye and go to the top of your ear. And that's where you're going to line. So instead of lining up, I'm lining out. So now it's time for lashes. I don't like when I put black mascara on my bottom lashes because it makes me at least look like, what's her name from Emperor's Big Groove? With the really big eyelashes. Yzma. Okay, I do not want to look like Yzma. I will post a picture of Yzma, like, right here. Hold on. Yeah, exactly. So I do not want to look like Yzma. And when I put on black mascara on my bottom lashes, nope, I'm looking like Yzma. I'm so sorry. But a trick that I do to not look like Yzma is I take a brown mascara instead of a black one and I use it for my bottom lashes. See, so like they're not deprived, but they're also not Yzma, you know? So I'm going to be using this e.l.f. brow pencil and I'm just going to fill in my brows. What I like to do is brush up, brush down, line my brow, and then fill. Okay, so after I'm done filling them, it's time to frame them. Clean them up a little bit. I'm just gonna go in with a flat brush and with some concealer. My dad's coming in here. He's about to ruin the video in 3, 2, 1.
Melinda, tu queres provar o meu peito recheado?
What the heck is recheado?
Queres ou não queres? Não vires a televisão para aqui.
Pai! Pai, fecha a porta! You're so annoying.
Anda, vamos aproveitar, anda a comer.
Okay, you know what? Film break. Let me show the world. This is what he wants us to try.
Tu queres bocadinho?
Yeah.
Hi, are you gonna cut me a piece or should I just cut?
Shut up and get.
Aggressive.
Who?
You. I want a bite. Un bite. What if it sucks?
I eat them all.
Thumbnail.
Oh my god, that's so bad.
That's good. Até tiene que.
No, it's pretty good. Sorry, that happens a lot. So where was I? Eyebrows, cleaning them up.
Feeling complete.
Feeling complete. Since I've already primed my face, I'm going to go in with foundation. I'm just using my Liquid Veil Spray Foundation by Pure Minerals. Now it's time for highlight. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Banana Foundation. And I do like to take a little onto my nose. Very little bit. And then I'm also going to do my T-zone. With the pointer side, I'm just going to blend that in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap. You want to tap because people like to sweep. And that's not right because you're actually moving the product. Now it's time to bake. We're baking. We're baking. For those of you who watched my Get Ready With Me, I mentioned how I don't know why the heck we call it baking. But I found out what it means. So when you put a translucent powder or a powder underneath your eyes, you let it sit there because the heat from your skin absorbs that product and actually it sets into your skin. You know, like you're baking, but you're baking your face. I mean, I don't consider myself a baker, but I guess I can put that on my resume now too. So now I'm going to contour and I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Foundation in the color Mink. So now I'm going to set my face with my CoverGirl's translucent powder. This is actually an e.l.f. blush brush, but it fits like perfectly under my eye. So I like to use it to just help pat in the extra translucent powder that's underneath my eyes for baking. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Hoola by Benefit bronzer, and I'm actually just going to define my contour a little bit with some powder, but I'm not going to use a lot. I'm going to be bronzing in my face, and I'm just going to be using my Bare Minerals Warmth. And what I like to do is a 3 and an E. And now it's time for blush. With this look, I'm going to use this lighter pink blush. Okay, so now I'm just going to highlight a little bit. So now for the lips. I feel like it's New Year's, it's a big night, we're about to end one year and go into the other, and you should just do a bold look. Like, rock a bold lip. So, I feel most people at home will have a red lipstick that they can do, and honestly with a shimmery eyeshadow or a shimmery smoky eye like we have now, a red lip is actually pretty cute. But since we brought in the pinks and the purpley tones in our eyeshadows, I kind of want to use this purple. Okay, and that is the final look. I really hope you guys like it, and I really hope that you guys can use this for New Year's Eve and that it helped you get some inspiration. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to hit subscribe, and have the best New Year, and I'll see you in 2019. Bye.